Hey guys, it's Kristen, and I want to invite you to join me for 5 super rockin' days designed to help you get more gigs, the online edition. We're going to replace some of that in person income that maybe you were getting from keynotes, from speaking to groups live in person, from networking. And I sure hope you join me for 5 super rockin' days designed to help you get more gigs online. Yes, baby. And we're not just going to give them to you, we're going to give them to some friends and colleagues too, so that we're really joining arms together and rising up together during this time. It's going to be a ton of fun. It's going to be all about implementing tons of training to help you along the way. And I can't wait to tell you all about it. Okay, let me get to the days here. Day 1 of this series, we are going to help you create your rock and talk topic, the one that is client attracting and gig attracting too, so that you get booked for those podcasts, interviews, master classes, all that fun stuff that'll help you attract leads and clients into your business. On day 2, we'll talk about hooks and conversations. How do you talk about what you do and talk about your talk in a way that gets you on the calendar for that podcast, masterclass, Facebook Live, speaking to someone's mastermind, all of those amazing opportunities that are out there for you. On day 3, we're going to talk about your rockstar Rolodex, how to build it, how to collaborate with the people you already know. And to that point, be sure to invite some business building buddies. Who are your friends that you know are great implementers and great supporters of you and just rock stars in their own business? Invite them along to join you in this game. And we'll also introduce you to some new rock stars too, so that you can create more promotional partners and more opportunities together. It's going to be awesome. Day 4, I'm going to talk about monetizing this. It's great to share your message, but it doesn't help you grow your business if you don't know how to pull in and attract hot leads and super happy paying clients. So we'll talk about monetization on day 4, and day 5, we'll wrap it up with the complete step-by-step how to scale your business with speaking system. It's what I've been doing for 10 years, helping thousands of people make 5, 6, and even 7 figures from one rock and talk. You can do it too, and we're going to get started right here, right now. Click that button down below. Join me. Get ready to have fun. I'll get you your bingo card. We'll get rocking, and I'll see you on the other side.